Most people think professional photo editing means spending hours inside Photoshop, learning hundreds of tools, and watching endless tutorials just to fix one simple photo. But what if you could take an ordinary personal photo and transform it into a cinematic, professional-looking image just by describing the lighting you want? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini and Nano Banana to do exactly that. You'll learn how to think like a photographer, write better AI prompts, and turn your everyday photos into images that look like they were shot with professional lighting. And the best part? You don't need advanced editing skills. The secret is not just asking AI to make my photo better. The secret is understanding how photographers think about light and then explaining that clearly to AI. First, go to www.gemini.google.com, then click the plus button and upload your photo. Now, before we edit anything, there is one important mindset shift that separates average AI results from professional-looking results. Most beginners make this mistake. They describe the result they want without explaining the lighting. For example, they say, "Make this photo look professional." That sounds simple, but AI doesn't know what professional means. A professional photographer doesn't just think, "I want a beautiful photo." They think, where is the light coming from? What type of light is hitting the subject? Is the light soft or dramatic? What colors are influencing the scene? So instead of telling AI the final result, we reverse engineer the photography setup. Imagine you are a photographer standing behind the camera. Ask yourself, where is the light coming from? Is it coming from the left side? The right side? Is it behind the person creating a glowing outline? What type of light is it? Once you understand that, you can communicate with AI like a photographer instead of like someone randomly asking for edits. Now let's go ahead and edit this photo. The Gemini prompt we're going to use is, relight this image so it's sunset, with the sun rays as rim light. Click enter. Simple, right? But here's why it works. The first part says, relight this image. That tells Gemini we are not replacing the photo. We are changing the lighting environment while keeping the original image. The second part, so it's sunset, creates the mood. Now AI understands we want warm golden tones, softer contrast, and that beautiful evening atmosphere. And the final part, with the sun rays as rim light, is the most powerful part. Rim lighting is a photography technique where the light comes from behind the subject and creates a glowing outline around the edges. It separates the subject from the background and instantly creates a more professional look. This is exactly how photographers create those dramatic portraits you see in magazines and movies. Look at the magic that happened. Instead of manually adjusting brightness, shadows, colors, and effects, Gemini analyzes the photo and creates a new lighting environment based on your description. But here's a small trick that can dramatically improve your results. Most beginners stop after the first generation. Don't. AI editing works like working with a photographer. You give feedback. For example, if the sunset effect looks too strong, you can say, make the sunset lighting more natural and realistic. Keep the original details the same. Small changes create completely different results. That's the difference between a basic AI edit and a photographer-style AI edit. So try this yourself. Take one photo from your computer, upload it to Gemini, and experiment with different lighting setups. Try sunset lighting, try studio lighting, try dramatic movie-style lighting, and let me know in the comments what photo you want to transform next. If this tutorial helped you understand AI photo editing, consider subscribing for more practical AI tools and tutorials that help you create better content faster. Remember, you're no longer just editing photos, you're directing them. I will see you in the next video.